The American dream, more than just a house, it's a vision of prosperity, stability, and a better future for our families. Did you know that nearly half of all Americans can't afford an unexpected $1,000 expense? This financial fragility is a stark reality for many. That's a scary thought. It tells us most folks are living paycheck to paycheck without a safety net. The stress of financial instability can be overwhelming. But the American dream isn't just about surviving, it's about thriving. It's about creating a life where we can celebrate our successes and enjoy the fruits of our labor. Imagine a life where your children and grandchildren have a head start, free from financial burdens, a life where they can pursue their dreams without the weight of debt. That's the power of generational wealth. It's about passing down not just money, but knowledge and opportunities. It's not just about mansions and sports cars, it's about the everyday moments that make life rich and fulfilling. Generational wealth is about creating a legacy of financial security and opportunity for your loved ones. It's about ensuring that future generations have the tools they need to succeed. It's about breaking the cycle of debt and building a brighter future for generations to come. Imagine the relief and joy of being debt-free and financially secure. And the best part, you don't need to be a millionaire to make it happen. With careful planning, smart investments, and a commitment to financial education, anyone can build generational wealth. It's about making informed choices today to secure a better tomorrow. Generational wealth is like planting a tree. You might not enjoy the shade immediately, but your children and grandchildren will. It's about making smart choices today that pay off for years to come. Think of it as leaving behind a legacy that's more valuable than money itself, peace of mind, opportunity, and a brighter future. It starts with changing your mindset. It's about shifting from short-term thinking to long-term planning. It's about understanding that small, consistent actions today can lead to massive results tomorrow. And remember, building generational wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. You might be surprised to learn that one of the most powerful tools for building wealth is the ability to negotiate. Negotiation isn't just for high-stakes business deals or salary discussions. It's a skill that can be applied in many areas of life. Whether you're asking for a raise at work, haggling for a better price on a car, or even negotiating the price of a home, mastering the art of negotiation can put more money in your pocket. It's about understanding the value you bring and being able to communicate that effectively. Imagine you successfully negotiate a $5,000 raise. That might seem like a small victory, but over time it adds up significantly. Over 10 years, that's an extra $50,000. And that's just from one negotiation. Think about the cumulative effect of negotiating better deals throughout your life. And that's just one example. The benefits of effective negotiation extend far beyond just financial gains. Learning how to negotiate effectively can lead to higher salaries, better deals, and more opportunities. It can also help you build stronger relationships and create win-win situations, and increased earning potential throughout your life. This skill can open doors to new opportunities and help you achieve your financial goals. This skill passed down to your children can help them succeed in their own lives. Teaching them the importance of negotiation can set them up for a lifetime of success and financial stability. Gone are the days when having one job was enough. In today's fast-paced world, relying on a single source of income can be risky and limiting. Today, side hustles are becoming increasingly popular, and for good reason. They provide flexibility, financial security, and a chance to pursue your dreams. They offer a way to earn extra income, explore your passions, and potentially even launch your own business. Think about it. What if your side hustle could turn into a full-time career? What are you good at? Identifying your strengths is the first step. Are you a natural problem solver, a creative thinker, or someone who loves to organize? What do you enjoy doing in your spare time? Your hobbies and interests can be the foundation of a successful side hustle. Maybe you're a talented writer, a skilled photographer, or have a knack for capturing moments that tell a story, or a whiz at fixing things. Your practical skills can be in high demand, offering services that people need every day. Turning your skills and passions into a side hustle can not only boost your income, but also teach your children the value of hard work, entrepreneurship, and creating multiple streams of income. It's about building a legacy, showing them that with dedication and creativity, they can achieve anything. So start small, dream big, and who knows, Your side hustle might just become the empire you always envisioned.